So, ayan, pupunta na ako dito. Tapos, ang talagang mga dito. Bakit ba? Simpapapalpera.
Sukat mo doon. Pataas yan?
Oh.
Ay, kaya lang, hindi makita ako magdito. Pataas.
Bakit na ako makakit sa taas ayun? Ay, naman hindi ko alam. Hmm? Ba't ako si Rocky? Iibahin ko na yung laro. So, iibahin ko na lang. I'm hungry. Iibahin na lang. Ay. Kaya makarequest na lang kayo. So, gift equals next bus. Now, sa amin ng isa. Ano na yung task ko, Mario? O yan o. Nag-uusap nga sa akin yun eh. Ngayon. Parang tapos first dito sa manalo na to. At nga ba ka dito? Sad. Loading. Bida-bida kasi. Sana hindi saway-tawid. Putang ina mo. Putang ina mo. Bakit ka nan? Putang ina mo, guys. Ganyan pa naman yung putang ina mo. Putang ina mo. Putang ina mo. Hindi na nga, nakakainis. Tulad na lang ako ng TikTok. Talaga.
Oh, I can make it at home.
What is this? It's chili.
Ano, bakit? Mama mo, tata. Mama mo. Mama mo, kuya. Mama mo. Mama mo, ito.
Nagsasabi ng dalawa? Sino ba mama nyo?
Ikaw. Ano, bakit? Mama mo, tata. Mama mo. Mama mo, kuya. Mama mo. Mama mo, ito.
Nagsasabi ng dalawa?
Vai sentando, Your partner in crime. How much money did you get? April and August. Two friends trying their luck at basketball. How will they benefit from this? You did it, guys. You became Lakers stars, earning in total $300 million. Nice shot. July and December. You are planning a bank robbery. You have a detailed plan of the building and a friend in security. Let's see how it goes. Poor July. December snitched. The whole plan is lost. July, you're going to prison for 50 years. Freaking December. June and September. Two beginner rappers. Will they manage to break into the mainstream or will they stay underground? Did you know that you can check how many hours you have been using TikTok so far? Click share and more and select calculate. You wrote a hit that brought you fame. Now the largest stadiums are selling out and your albums sell out in millions of copies. Your profit is $2 trillion. Impressive. January and October. Two gym bros with a business idea. How will they do? You managed to establish a successful nightclub. Your profit is $500,000. Nice work. March and November. You started your dream of your own restaurant humbly with a food truck. Will you succeed? Unfortunately, customers did not like your burgers. Sales dropped to zero and you left with $50,000 in debt. It could always be worse, I guess. February and May. Two friends full of passion and ideas. What will messing with electronics bring them? New phone of the future. Thanks to your dedication, the world can take a step forward in technology. And you became $30 trillion richer. Excellent. Your month, your partner in crime.
Oh, in secret, I had a crush on.
What?
That Lucy one!
What?
Look, it was back when we first met in high school. I thought she was real.
Kung magtimpla sila ng alak para sila mga firebender. May paapoy-apoy pa. Masarap naman talaga ang outing pag may kasamang alak pang chill. Pero gaya nga ng sinasabi nila, drink moderately. Lalo na kung ikaw yung driver sa outing nyo. Damaharot. Sila yung mga tao sumasama sa outing kapag kasama yung crush nila.
Uy, sis, outing tayo! Kayo na lang, besh? Sasama daw si Burnik? Talaga? Kailan ang outing? Ikaw talaga, bilib-bilib talaga no? Sumasama ka kapag ganda si Burnik. Ano bang sinasabi mo dyan? Kailan nga yung outing? Kailan yung outing? Kurutin ko yung pet mo dyan eh. Anyway.
Dado Raymond, sila yung mga taong laging handa. Para silang mga Boy Scout and Girl Scout.
Grabe, ginugutom ako.
Let's pack up free orders
Yoo-hoo!
to our first 3,000 followers.
I just followed you. Can I get one?
You need to like this video and share with 3 friends. Then check this website in my profile to claim your free order and enjoy. Let's pack up.
May isang lalaki ang nasa ospital at kausap nito ang asawa niyang may malubhang karamdaman. Habang sila ay nag-uusap, ay biglang nagtanong ang babae, "Mahal, pagka ba namatay ako mag-aasawa ka pa?" Tumingin ang lalaki sa kanyang asawa ng nakangiti. "Mahal, mag-aasawa lang ulit ako pag natuyo na ang puntod mo." Pabirong sagot ng lalaki. "Can you guess this logo?"
What if may narinig ka? Ha? Ang status ko ay King of School. Gusto kong subukan yung mga kaibigan ko, kaya ipaprivate ko na.